Good morning guys, it's Ali from Brownlows in Darlington. We have another exclusive vehicle which just arrived this morning. A Ford Tourneo Connect. Now, this is not just a normal Tourneo Connect. This is a Tourneo Connect with a wheelchair access and an automatic and a diesel. So I'm going to show you the spec inside. It is very easy. Put this thing down and that hole for you. And you also have an electric winch so you can pull the wheelchair from inside. This is a well-spec'd vehicle. It is a long wheelbase. It only has 49,000 miles on the clock. It is automatic diesel. It's great on fuel. It has satellite navigation, rear camera, heated windscreen, cruise control, speed limiter, electric folding mirrors, front and rear electric windows, automatic lights, automatic rain sensing wipers, DAB radio. The seats are immaculate. There's 4 seats in the vehicle. Normally you only get 3 seats. So there's 4 seats and it's a very spacious wheelchair access vehicle. You know. On top of that, you do have a panoramic glass roof, which is not common on these models. Okay, don't forget, all our car comes with a 12 months MOT, no advisories. So if it needs anything, you know, tires, disc pads, whatever, we'll get everything sorted with a service and a 3-month warranty. Thanks for watching.
Welcome to Brownlows Cars. If you're looking for great savings on quality used cars, be sure to like, subscribe, for more updates on our latest stock and amazing deals. Join the Brownlows Cars family today.
Brownlow Cars, the name you can trust. 351 Haughton Road, Darlington, DO1 2BP, 01325 484 870.